Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you 50 features that are only in Minecraft Bedrock and not Java. Parrots dance on your shoulder to music in Bedrock, but not in Java. Bedrock sheep have wool color around their faces, unlike Java sheep. Shared Bedrock sheep show colored wool patches. Empty maps in Bedrock can locate other players. Bedrock turtles are called sea turtles. Bedrock foxes have double the health of Java foxes. Bedrock lacks the hardcore game mode. Bedrock endermites attack endermen. Bedrock endermen randomly teleport upon spawning. You can attach leads to boats in Bedrock. Bedrock pistons look different and can push tile entities. Bedrock fishing rods have much higher durability. Tropical and pufferfish are uncatchable in Bedrock jungle biomes. Bedrock crossbows have slightly more durability than Java crossbows. Bedrock swamps have naturally generated giant mushrooms. Desert wells are more common in Bedrock. Bedrock leaves in snowy biomes get a frosty look. Bedrock has exclusive acacia wood shipwrecks. You can get dirt paths with silk touch in Bedrock. Steve actually blinks in Bedrock. Bedrock cakes stack to 64. Wool is fireproof in Bedrock furnaces. Bedrock snow layers are affected by gravity. Bedrock books show 2 pages at once. Bedrock beds are 2D items instead of Java with their 3D items. Shields automatically block attacks on horseback in Bedrock. Charged creepers can drop multiple mob heads in Bedrock. Black cats spawn at night with a full moon in Bedrock. Vindicators, evokers, and piglin brutes can spawn in peaceful mode in Bedrock. Skeletons switch to melee when underwater in Bedrock. Endermen can teleport out of boats in Bedrock. Bedrock ruby villagers have larger heads than Java. Boats require a shovel to break in Bedrock. Bedrock uses the old combat system. You can't build on the nether roof in Bedrock. Bedrock has fewer possible world seeds. Staring at the sun causes blindness in Bedrock. Cows are faster when holding wheat in Bedrock. Bedrock actually has falling trees. Villagers don't generate in Bedrock super flat worlds. Baby squids and dolphins exist in Bedrock. Bedrock armor stands actually have arms. Bone meal works on sugarcane in Bedrock. Cauldrons can dye water in Bedrock. Leather armor can be dyed in cauldrons in Bedrock. Mobs can be leashed to walls in Bedrock. Doors can't create air pockets underwater in Bedrock. Any pumpkin type works for golems in Bedrock. Bees take damage from berry bushes in Bedrock. Piglins fear extinguished soul campfires in Bedrock. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys!